Welcome to Lesson 1, Chicken Salad Pita Pockets. Today, we're going to help children get more protein into their diets by teaching them to make chicken salad pita pockets using chicken, celery, red grapes, green onions, lemon juice, light mayonnaise, non-fat plain yogurt, salt and pepper, and whole wheat pita pockets. Our education piece centers around chicken and the nutrients it provides. Let's get started. First, let's check that we have all of our ingredients. Using the prep list provided, make sure that you have chicken, celery, green onions, red grapes, lemons for lemon juice, light mayonnaise, non-fat plain yogurt, salt and pepper, and whole wheat pita pockets. Now let's check that we have our equipment. Ensure that you have a bucket of sanitizer water with a clean wiping cloth and food service gloves. You'll also need a cutting board, a chef knife, a 1/4 cup portion scoop, a tablespoon measure, a garbage bowl, prep bowls with lids, and a marker for labeling them. Let's start prepping. First, we'll mince the green onions, then dice the celery, halve the grapes, and juice the lemons. Okay, now it's time to fill our prep bowls. I've prepped this lesson for 20 students plus 1 demo. Be sure you have 1 container of each of the ingredients per group plus 1 for the demo. Starting with the chicken, we're using canned chicken today because it's the safest to use for children. I've drained the chicken and I'm seasoning it with salt and pepper. Using a 1/4 cup portion scoop, we're going to measure 4 scoops of chicken into each of the containers. Now we'll measure the rest of the ingredients. We need 1/2 scoop of the green onion, light mayonnaise, and yogurt, 1 scoop of celery, 2 scoops of grapes, and 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Be sure to use a clean portion scoop in between each ingredient or wash and sanitize them in between. Now we just need to cover, label, and date everything. Keep everything refrigerated until it's time for the demo. If you're going off-site, pack it in a cooler with ice. Check your equipment bin to make sure you have everything you need for the demo. This includes a cutting board and chef knife, plastic spatulas, mixing bowls, whisks, plastic spoons, paper plates, napkins, sanitary wipes and food service gloves, the lesson plan, handouts for the students, and crayons. Okay, now let's head to our demo. All right, we're on location and we're ready to set up for our demo. I have Kayla and Aaron here with me today, and Aaron's gonna be running the lesson. We're gonna get our hands washed, wipe down the tables, get everything set up, and we're ready to go.
How's everyone doing today? Good. Well, my name is Miss Erin. What's my name? Miss Erin. It's good to meet you guys. We're going to be talking about chicken today because chicken is our star protein, okay? But before we start our lesson, we're going to go over 3 ground rules, all right? So rule number 1, what should our bottoms be doing during this lesson? You can go ahead and shout it out. Touching the chair. They should be touching the chair and sitting in our seats. Excellent. And I'm going to add a little part of this rule, okay? So I want everyone to put their hands in the air, and then I want you to gently float them down to your laps, okay? Your hands are going to remain in your laps the whole lesson unless myself or another adult tells you you can touch something on the table, okay? But for right now, we're going to keep our hands in our laps, all right? Now, what should our eyes be doing? You can shout it out, come on. They should be on me. Awesome. The whole lesson, I want you guys looking straight up here at me, okay? And what do you think our ears should be doing? Listening. That's right. They should be listening to me or to another adult if they are speaking, okay? And who can tell me, what do they think the third rule is? Does anyone know? Go ahead, you can shout it out. Pay attention, have fun. Keep your hands to yourself, pay attention, and have fun. So we are gonna have a lot of fun today, okay? So chicken is really good for us because it's low in fat and it's high in protein, all right? So I have a joke that I wanna teach you guys today. So I'm gonna say it first, and then I'm gonna teach you how to say it, okay? So my joke is, why did the chicken wear a cape? Because he was a super source of protein, okay? So now you guys are gonna learn it, so I'm gonna say it first, and then I'll have you repeat, okay? So why did the chicken wear a cape? Why did the chicken wear a cape? And in your all-time best chicken voice, I want you to say, because. Awesome. He was a super source of protein. Excellent. You guys did such a good job. And because chicken is low in fat and high in protein, we are going to make an awesome chicken salad pita pocket snack today. How does that sound? Awesome. Okay, so before I have you do it at your table, so remember, our hands are floating and gently sitting in our laps. I need a very quiet volunteer to raise their hand to come help me with my demonstration. How about you, ma'am? I saw you first. Why don't you come up here? All right, you're going to come around here for me. You're going to stand right in front of this silver bowl. Perfect. All right, so we have 3 ingredients we're going to mix together first. So we have our mayonnaise. So I'm going to help you remove this. And then can you hold this up in the air for me? Does anyone remember what this is called? Spatula. It's a spatula. Very good. So we're going to have our volunteer scrape this mayonnaise out of our container and put it into our bowl. And while she's doing that, we're going to also have her add some yogurt, okay? Mmm, delicious. Okay. Oh, wow, excellent job. I'll take that for you. You can go ahead and add our yogurt. And next, she is going to take some lemon juice and just drizzle that into our bowl. Thank you. Okay. Does anyone know what this is called? You can shout it out.
A whisker.
It's a whisk, that's right. So we are actually going to swap, and we're gonna have you whisk these ingredients together. So you can just hold on the side and kind of mix it up, okay? I'm gonna set this spatula aside. Oh, good job. Okay, and next she's going to add our star protein, which is? Chicken, very good. So you can go ahead and add that. I'm gonna take this from you and tap this on the side. Excellent. I'm gonna hand you the spatula because we're gonna mix these in just a second. And then she's going to add 2 vegetables. So we have celery and green onion.
Celery.
You love celery? Me too. Good thing it's in our chicken salad today. There you go. Okay. And last but not least, we have sweet, sweet grapes that we're going to add to have a sweet flavor to our chicken salad. Okay. Awesome. And then you're going to go ahead and mix all of this together with our spatula. But we're going to help her out. So I want everyone to take their left arm and pretend that it's a bowl. You can keep mixing. And then take your right arm and pretend you have your spatula. And we're going to go ahead and mix our ingredients together. Good job. Keep it up. Can you mix really slowly, like slow motion? Slow mixing. Now, can you change directions with your mixing? Go normal pace. Keep going. We're almost done.
Can we go fast paced now?
You can go fast paced if you want to. Just be careful. Awesome. You did such a good job. Here, I'm going to help you scrape the sides really quickly. Excellent. This looks fantastic. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and show you guys what this looks like. And then we're going to do one more thing, so you can stay up here for me. So this is what our chicken salad looks like. Mmm, delicious. Looks good. What do we think? We're curious what it tastes like. Smells kind of good. Awesome. Okay, so we're not finished yet. So I'm going to put this back in front of you. On your tables, but don't touch them yet, we have these really cool tins. And inside, we have our pita pockets, right? But do you think when we put these on our plates, we're going to just grab them with our hands?
No.
What do we have on our tables that we can use? You can shout it out. What do we have? We have plates and tongs. That's right. So we're going to pick these up with our tongs, and we can put them on our plates. And then how do you think we're going to get this chicken salad into our pita pockets? Our spoons, exactly. So what I'm going to have you do, can you hold this for me? Okay. You take your spoons, take a dollop of our chicken salad, put it in our pita pocket. We're going to get a little bit more. And then voila, we have a beautiful snack that we are ready to eat. Okay? All right, I'm going to take this from you. To thank our helper today, we're going to do a special clap. I'm going to demonstrate it first, and then I'm going to have you guys do it, okay? This is called the swoosh clap. So what this means is we're going to take all of our positive energy and our happiness, we're going to build it up, and I'm going to count to 3, and we're going to go 1, 2, 3, clap, swoosh, and send it to our helper, okay? Do you think you can do that? All right, is everyone ready? We're going to try this, okay? 1, 2, 3, clap, swoosh. Excellent. You may go have a seat, ma'am. Thank you so much. Okay. But before I let you guys make the snacks at your tables, I want to point out that you have these really cool sheets in front of you that have the ingredients that we just talked about. Does anyone know what this is called? Yes. What is it? It's a recipe. So that means you can take this home and share it with your family and friends and make chicken salad pita pockets again. How does that sound? Great, awesome. But on the back, we also have a coloring activity. So we have our plates that you can color with the crayons in front of you, but not yet. And then we also have a fill in the blank that says, why did the chicken wear a cape? Because he was a super source of blank. What do we think goes into that blank? You can shout it out. Protein. That is right, because chicken is our star protein today. Awesome. Okay, so in a second, we're all going to take turns and we're going to add our ingredients. Remember, we're going to whisk our mayonnaise, our yogurt, and our lemon juice. And then we're going to add our chicken, our 2 green veggies, and our grapes. And then how are we going to put our pitas on our plate? You can say it out loud. Tongs. Our tongs, and then we'll use our spoons to put our chicken salad into our pita pockets. Sound good? Yes. All right, you guys can begin.
I think the lesson went great. Sometimes kids are afraid of some of the ingredients like the green onion, but once they get it all mixed together, they end up really liking it, and this is proof positive that if kids make their own food, they're much more likely to try it. If we gave them that chicken salad already all mixed together, they would have been like, I don't know what's in here and I'm not eating it. So having them mix it themselves is, I mean, you see the results. They're doing amazing, eating it, loving it, with all those things in there that they probably never would have tried on their own. Erin was awesome today. She's such a good teacher, and she really, I think, is able to connect with the kids and make sure that they're listening and paying attention but still having fun. And you know, she does all those cool claps and different stuff, so it's a really great way to add different things into the lessons too. You know, you can even add physical activity parts. There's a whole lot you can do with this, and Erin was really good at incorporating some different things.
Was it awesome and incredible? Was it just okay, or was it not your favorite?
Awesome and incredible.
Awesome and incredible?
It was awesome and incredible.
Awesome and incredible. Great. Have you guys ever had chicken salad before? No?
No.
And the key is that the kids are having fun, but they're also learning about good foods that they should be eating for their bodies, and how to cook and make their own snacks and do all those sorts of great things. So they're having fun, and they're learning, and they're eating healthy, which we're thrilled about.